Hi, I'm Dr. Sharon Nachman, Chief of the Division of Pediatric Infectious Disease at Stony Brook Children's Hospital. And more importantly, I'm a mother and a grandmother. As a parent, I know there's some anxiety when thinking about giving your kids a COVID-19 vaccine. But just like I was the first in line to receive the vaccine back in December, I'd like to do the very same thing with my children, only now they're adults, making sure they're all fully vaccinated, which they are. I'd like to take a moment to talk about the facts about the vax and hopefully help put your mind at ease. First, let's address the elephant in the room. I'm sure you're worried about side effects, but the fact of the matter is, for pretty much every vaccine we use, kids tolerate vaccines better than adults do. They have fewer side effects and a better immune response. Negative long-term side effects are really unlikely because negative side effects from a vaccine are almost always seen within the very first few weeks after receiving the vaccine, which is exactly what we've seen with COVID vaccines in adults. Studies in kids show that the side effects seen in the 12 to 15-year-olds are similar to those that we've seen in young adults. So that means a sore arm, maybe some flu-like illness for a day or so, but then they're back to their regular lives quicker than us adults getting the exact same vaccine. That's because kids are just so resilient. And what's really worth noting is that many children and young adults who contract COVID-19 are the ones actually suffering negative long-term effects. Now, let's talk about the speed at which the vaccine was developed. The interesting thing, it wasn't really as quick as you might think. It's really been years in the making. And now, by the time the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine has been thoroughly studied and already administered to millions of people, so it certainly wasn't developed on a whim. It's important you understand that kids are not immune to coronaviruses. The vaccine is really for your child's health and safety. But making sure your child receives the vaccine, it's not just for their own well-being. It's also beneficial to the entire family and the community. Your kids are a crucial piece of the puzzle in reaching herd immunity and getting us all back to normal.